Welcome students. Now today I brought a new topic, that is I have brought a new topic for you, that is practice set 1.3. Okay? Practice set 1.3. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Okay. So before starting with our today's topic, let me clear one thing, that to solve these types of sums, the concept of terminating, non-terminating and recurring decimal forms must be clear. So you can refer my previous video. I have pasted link in description box. Okay students, now we will move further. First question is, write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Okay, listen carefully. First sum is 9 upon 37. First sum is 9 upon 37. Let us begin with our first division, that is 9 upon 37. Okay, here 37 is divisor and 9 is dividend. In up to previous classes we have did the division of divisor is always less than dividend, but in this sum the condition is different one, because your divisor is bigger and dividend is smaller. Okay, now see, you know this, it is a divisor and this is a dividend. Okay, now 9 is a smaller number than 37, means division is not possible. For that you have to take you have to put decimal point, that is 0 point. For this point is called as a decimal point. Okay students, okay, now see 39. Now after giving decimal point you can put 0. For that I write 0 beside the 9. Now number is 90. Number becomes 90. 90 divided by 37. 37 2s are 74. That's why. And 37 3s are 111. 111 is not possible to subtract from 90. So 37 2s are 74. And you have to do the simple regular division subtraction. And your number becomes 16. 0 minus 4 is not possible. Means you have to take borrowing from 9 and the number becomes 10. Okay, means here 10 minus 4 is 6 and here becomes 8. 8 minus 7 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, and the number becomes 16. Again 16 is less than 37. We already put decimal point, means you can take 0. Now number becomes 160. 37 4s are 148. 37 4s are 148, because 37 5s are, if you did this 7 5s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 16 17 18, 185. 185 is not possible to subtract from 160, means 37 4s are 148. Okay, now the subtraction you have to do, the number becomes 12. Now again you can take 0, and 37 3s are 111, because 37 4s are 148. It is not possible to subtract from 120, means 111. Simply subtraction you have to do and the number becomes 9, because 0 minus 1 is not possible, means you have to take 10 here. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, 90. 37 2s are 74. And if you doing this subtraction, the number becomes 16, and 16 again is not division possible, means you have to take 0 and the number becomes 160. 37 4s are 148, and you are, after doing division, you are getting 12. Again 12 is less than 37, you can take 0, and 37 3s are 111. Means you are getting 9. Here also you are getting 9. Here also you are getting 9. Means you are getting the same number. Just see here. And in the concluding statement will be we have to stop the division here, because if you go further the division will be repeating, so that you have to stop here. This number will be repeating. So if you see 0.243 number is repeating, means here you have to stop our division. And after last statement will be 0.243, and 243 is repeating, that's why you have to put bar on that number, head of that number. Bar means what? The number becomes repeating. Three numbers are repeating, so that we are putting here bar. If one number is repeating, in that case you have to put dot on the head of that number. Okay, it is clear to you now. Now we are moving further. Second sum is 18 divided by 42. See here, the second sum is 18 divided by 42. Here 18 also is a smaller number, means you have to put decimal point. 42 4s are 168. Again 10 minus 8 is 2, and 7 minus 6 is 1. The number becomes 12. And you have to, already you have put decimal points, means you can take 0 here again. 42 2s are 84. Do the simple subtraction. 0 minus 4 is not possible, means you have to take 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 1 minus 8 is again not possible, means you have to take here 11. The number becomes 1, you have to cut here, and here becomes 11. Okay. Now see 36, the number becomes 36. Again you have to take 0. 42 8s are 336. Okay. And 360 minus 336, that will be 24. 24 again less than 42, again you have to put 0. After decimal you can take 0. Now for 240, 42 5s are 210, and the number becomes 30. Again you have to take 0. And 42 7s are 294. 42 7s are 294, and the number with subtraction will be 6. You take 0. And 42 1s are 42, because 42 2s are, if you do 42 2s are, it will be 4, and 4 2s are 8, it will becomes 84. And 84 is greater than 60, means 42 1s are 42, and the number becomes, after doing subtraction, it will be 18. Again you have to take 0. 42 4s are 168, and 12 120, and 42 2s are 84, and the number becomes 36. And if you observe the sum, the numbers are repeating now. The numbers are repeating down now. Now see 60 minus 336. 42 8s are. Now the subtraction is 24. You take 0. 240. 42 5s are 210, and then the number becomes 30. And 42 7s are 294, and it is 6. You have to stop here, because 6 4 5 6 digits are repeating here, means after writing this last statement you have to writing the you have to put bar on that numbers, head of that number, means last statement is 0.428571, and you have to put bar on the whole numbers, all numbers, because these all numbers are repeating. Next sum. Third sum, that is 9 upon 14. Here if you observe, here also same condition. Divisor is 14 and 9 is a dividend. Dividend is smaller than divisor. Dividend is smaller than divisor, means you have to take a decimal point. And 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. If it is better way that here in the side of that question you prepare a table of 14. Okay, 14 6 are 84, and the subtraction will be 6. After decimal point you take 0. 14 fours are 56 and that will be 4. Remainder will be 4. You took 0. And then 42 to 14 twos are 28 and that is 12. Means the number becomes 110, 20. 14 eights are 112 and if you do the subtraction it becomes 8 and you put 0, 80 and the number becomes 80. 42 5s are 70 and 80 minus 70 is 10. You took 0. 42 14 sevens are 98 and then 100 minus 98 is 2 and you can take 0. The 20 is smaller number, means 14 ones are 14. Okay, now here subtraction will be 20 minus 14 is 6. Then 14 fours are 56 and the subtraction is 4. You could take 0. 14 twos are 28 and here subtraction is 12. You took 0. You have to take 0 because you have to move further. 14 8s are 112. 14 8s are 112 and that is 80 and 14 5s are 70. The remainder is 10. Means again if you move further numbers are repeating, means here you have to stop your subtraction division and 0.642857 means 428571. These last 6 digits are repeating, that's why I put bar on the last 6 digits. Okay, next sum, question number 4. Minus 103 divided by 5. Okay, it is this sum is very easy because 5 twos are 10. You have to take 3 down and 5 divided by 3 is not possible, means 5 zeros are 0 and the number becomes 30 and 5 6 are 30. It is very easy and that is if the number they mention is a negative sign, means in answer also you have to put minus sign. That is very important, students. If you lost to write, if you forgot to write minus sign, you will be lose your marks. For that you must write minus sign if they are mentioned minus sign in the sum. Next sum is minus 11 upon 13. Here 13 is greater than 11. 13 is a divisor and 11 is a dividend and dividend is smaller than divisor. And here also if you see division is not possible by 13 because 11 is less than that 13. Means again you have to put your decimal point and that you have to put decimal point one time only. Some students are putting decimal point so many times. I took 0, I have to put decimal point. I took 0, I have to put decimal point. Don't do like that because in each and every sum decimal point is coming in a one time only. Student, remember this thing. This is very important. Okay, now next is what? 13 8s are 104. 13 8s are 104. That's why the number becomes 6. 110 minus 104 is 6. The number becomes 60. And 13 4s are 52. And 60 minus 52 is 8. 60 minus 52 is 8. The number becomes 80. And 13 6 are 78 and 80 minus 78 is 2. You have to take 0. 13 ones are 13 and then the subtraction is 7. Then the number becomes 70. 13 5s are 65 and 70 minus 65 is 5. You have to put 0. Okay, now 13 3s are 39 and 50 minus 39 is 11. You have to take 0 again and 13 8s are 104. 13 8s are 104 and 60. If you do this subtraction it becomes 660. If you are observing that the numbers are repeating now. 13 4 are 52 and 60 minus 52 is 8 and the number B will be 80. You have to take 0. If you already we are putting here decimal point 13 6 are 78 and the number B 80 minus 78 is 2 and that is will be 20. 13 ones are 13 and the subtraction is 7. 13 5s are 65 and it's 5. 70 minus 65 is 5. 13 3s are 39. The answer is 11 again. If you observe, the number 846153 is repeating. That's why I have to put bar on that number.